everybody, let's begin this video. This video involves the following contents such as section first, we will discuss the MCQs, problem and its solution. Section second, we will discuss the theoretical question. Section third, we will practice the numerical problems, and the final section we will demonstrate the important questions which will be VVIP for your final examination. Okay, begin this MCQs. Problem number 1. Necessity of hospitality accounting is to provide prudent intelligence hospitality business decision for crucial survival of any restaurant business. It provides the financial interpretation and analysis. Therefore, the answer is option D. Move on. Question number 2. Business or restaurant transaction refer that hospitality transaction initiate the accounting process. This is the correct answer. And next one. The exchange of merchandise, property or services for cash or a promise to pay. This one also correct answer. And next one. Business transaction includes cash, receivable and payable transactions. This one also correct answer. Finally, the correct option is option D. Move on. Next question. Question number 3. If liabilities are $2 lakh and equity is $1,25,000, then assets are, we know about the accounting equation, total assets equal to total liabilities and capital. Total assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. Therefore, the answer required to write $2 lakh plus 1,25,000. The answer will be 3,25,000. Therefore, here is no any option. Therefore, option D, no option. Okay, move on. Question number 4. Cost or expenses of particular period are matched or compared with the relevant of that period in order to calculate profit or loss determined by unit measurement concept, historical concept, matching concept or objectivity concept. None other option except C. Therefore, option C is correct. Move on. Question number 5. Blah 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 are states that material events must be accounted for according to accounting rules. However, significant event may be treated in an expeditious manner. This is the correct option is materiality concept. Option A. Move on. Question number 6. Revenue is recorded at the time when goods are sold or service is rendered is known as the realization concept. No other option. Move on. Question number 7. Blah 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 is a separated legal entity formed by filing articles of organizations with the Secretary of State. The option D, limited liabilities corporation. Okay, move on. Next question. Content of business research. Business research content includes, what are they? They are business description, market research, competition analysis, business location analysis, equipment requirement, financial feasibility. Therefore, the option D is correct. Move on. Question number 9. Land and building were purchased by a restaurant for $2,25,000. The down payment was $25,000 and the balance was financed by mortgage. What amount will be recorded to mortgage payable? The down payment, after you pay a $25,000, then you have remaining balance is the mortgage finance which is recorded onto the mortgage payable. Therefore, the answer is $2,25,000 minus 25,000. The answer will be 2 lakh. Okay, option B is correct. Move on. Next question. A corporation has the following business result: sales $1 lakh, non-taxable dividend income $20,000, rental income $10,000, business expenses of $70,000. What is it? Taxable income. Finally, the taxable income involves only sales, and non-taxable is not included onto the taxable income. Therefore, it is not included over this income. Rental income is taxable income, and expenses never payment of tax. Therefore, the answer required to 1 lakh add 10,000 rental income less 70,000 business expenses. The remaining amount is $40,000. Therefore, the answer is B. Okay, move on. Question number 11. Those systems which was timely, accurately, and quickly with the systematic record keeping on computer software system by using the manual accounting system. The answer is option C, computerized accounting system. Online accounting system involves all accounting data recorded through this internet. Software accounting system involves accounting packages are required for this question, and this question's correct answer is computerized accounting system. Okay, move on. Question number 12. Blah 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 is record the transactions involving registered guest on the preliminary register base. Register guest is our regular customer. Therefore, the option is guest ledger. Special ledger involve only special activities record on accounting reports. City ledger involve overall all guest and all clients record over the city ledger, and general ledger involves all activities is involved. Therefore, the option A is correct. And move on. Question number 13. Which of the following is an example of fixed cost? Direct material is variable cost, and workman's salary is operating expenses, chargeable expenses also operating expenses. The depreciation of machinery is correct answer. This one is the fixed cost of the business. Move on. Question number 14. Blah 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 is the permanent and continuous denomination in the quality, quantity, or value of assets. The option is C. Oh no, the option C is correct, because there have a quality and quantity we can easily saw. Therefore, this is the tangible assets. Move on. Question number 15. Depreciation calculation by direct methods, original cost methods. Its nickname is written down value method, residual value method. Most of the students clicking off this option D, but not. The correct answer is option F. Okay, fixed installment method. This is also called the original cost method or direct methods or straight line method as well. Okay, move on. Next question. Blah 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 is concerned preliminary with recording and accumulating information to the use in preparing of financial statements for external user? The answer is financial accounting, not other. Okay, the correct answer is option C. Financial accounting concerned with preparing several kinds of financial statements such as income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statements. Okay, move on. Next question. Restaurant transaction may involve the following informations. If you like that, this question is repetition. But above these questions involve restaurant slash business transaction. But here only business transaction may involve the following information. Hospitality transaction initiate the accounting process. Exchange of merchandise, goods and services with cash or promise to pay. Next on business transaction include cash payables and receivable. All of the therefore the answer is D. Next question. The result of comprehensive investigation by an independent CPA. You know CPA means Certified Public Accountant. That's called audit. Okay. The option B is correct. Move on. Next question. Unrecorded liabilities for expenses that have been incurred but not yet paid during the financial reporting period. The answer is, you thought like that, operating expenses. Oh no. The answer is B. Accrued expenses is unrecorded liabilities for expenses. This is also called outstanding expenses. Move on. Next question. If food sales are $320,000 and beverage sales $80,000, what is the beverage to food sales ratio? Beverage to food sales ratio calculated by beverage record on numerator, beverage 80,000 record on numerator, and $320,000 in denominator. Into 100 you can find out this answer. Which one is? Please calculate yourself quickly. Okay, the answer is 25%. What is it? This answer is option A. Therefore, answer A is correct. Move on. Question number 6. ABC Restaurant Daily Report analyzing sales by dining facility, counter and dining room meals on both places $400 and $28.80. Calculate the each individual sales amount percentage. Firstly, you need to add both variables, and the total variables 428.80 is 32.80, and record firstly $400 is dining facility, counter and dining room meals. Okay, firstly you can calculate 400 into 100. You can find the answer. Firstly, how much? Please calculate yourself quickly. 400 divide 3280, 12.1 or 12.19. Near about you can round out this information 12.2 and move on. Next, 2880 divided by 3280 equal to into 100. The answer will be 2880 divided by 3280, 87.80 percentage. Therefore, the answer is 12.2 and 87. Option B is correct answer. Okay, move on next question. Semi-variable cost also known as variable cost, operation cost, hybrid cost, fixed cost. The answer is C. Oh no, this is not a correct correct answer. The correct answer is hybrid cost. Okay, move on. Question number 8. Which of the following is an example of fixed cost? Fixed cost involve depreciation of machinery. And move on next questions. In break-even point, there will be profit, loss, neither profit nor loss, none of them. Among these four options, option B is correct. Move on. Next question. Assumption of break-even point is fixed cost will remain constant. Fixed cost increases if volume changes. Variable cost per unit will be changed. The option B is correct. Oh no, this answer is not correct. The answer A is correct because we know about the semi-variable cost or break-even points. Fixed cost is remain constant. Fixed cost is remain constant. This point is BEP. Okay, move on. Next question. If SPPU sales price per unit is Rs 10, BCPU equal 6, fixed cost is 1,60,000. Find out BEP units. Now, you can calculate from this formula. BEP equal to FC divided by SPPU minus BCPU. 10 minus 6 equal to 1,60,000 divided by 4. Therefore, the answer is 4 4 40,000 is the answer. The answer A is correct. Okay, move on next. SPPU is 20, BCPU Rs 12, fixed cost 1 lakh. Then find out BEP units. Now, fixed cost we have 1 lakh divided by SPPU minus BCPU is CMPU. 20 minus 12 is 8. 1 lakh divided by 8. Therefore, the answer will be how much? The answer will be 12,500. Option A is correct. Move on. Next question. Which of the following would not be current assets? Account receivable is current assets. Prepaid insurance also current assets. Supplies inventory also current assets. Therefore, not current assets. It means that land is the fixed assets. Therefore, option B is correct. Move on. Question number 14. Which of the following is an assets account? Assets accounts involves 2 or more time benefits for us. Therefore, the option C is correct. Move on. Question number next. Nominal account is related with all expenses and losses. This is the correct. And A and B both all assets and liabilities, none of the above. Therefore, option A is finally correct. Okay. Move on. Next question. Blah 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 is concerning with recording accumulating information so the financial statements reports can be prepared internally users. Internal and external users. Which one is? This is This one is, please, I'm left this uh, questions. You can search yourself. I think this questions is already repeated above these MCQs. Please get find out. Back onto the video. Okay, move on question number. Next, fundamental purpose of restaurant accounting are to provide accurate, useful, and timely restaurant financial information, to make the effective financial statement, forecast, budget, report of financial position and operating performance of hospitality business, to serve food and beverage with all items of cuisines to the potential consumer. Therefore, the purpose of restaurant are option, which one is? Option D is correct. Okay, move on question number. Next, blah 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 is an individual who has met the educational and experience requirement prescribed by state licensing laws and who has passed the National Uniform CPA examination, certified public accountant, auditor, government account, chartered accountant. The option A is correct. Certified public accountants who passed the National Uniform CPA examination, which is taken by Nepal government. Okay. Cash flow from operating activities calculated by using cash collection from consumer and paid to suppliers. This one is correct. Next, cash paid to employee and other operating expenses. This one also correct. And interest, tax and other expenses. This one also correct. Therefore, the option D is finally correct answer. Next one. Correct rule of cash inflow and cash outflow is all assets are increases cash inflow. That is the wrong option. Next, all liabilities are increases cash outflow. This one also wrong. Option, all expenses are increases cash outflow. This one is the correct answer. None of this above. This one also wrong answer. Therefore, the option C is finally correct. Next one. Financial statement are written records that convey the financial activities and condition of hospitality business or entity and consist of a major component. They are, what are they? The financial accounting components. It is also called tools of accounting. Okay. Tools of accounting, income statement and balance sheet and cash flow statement. Therefore, option C is correct. A and B both. Move on. Next question. Those system which was timely, accurately and quickly with the systematic record keeping on computer software system by using manual accounting system. Therefore, the option F is correct. This question also repetition above these questions. Move on. Next. Blah 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 is record the transaction involving register on the preliminary registered guest. The guest ledger is the correct answer. Next one. In the blah 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 keep the record of accounts receivable and payable business transaction. This is the correct answer is general ledger. Oh no, this is not a correct answer. Option C is correct answer. Therefore, I erase this information. Okay. Option C is correct finally. Subsidiary ledger against the use of cash activities. Move on. Next question. The sequence of accounting procedures performed during an accounting period and continuing process of recording and reporting financial statement is known as? Which one is economic cycle, human cycle, accounting cycle, or business cycle? None other than accounting cycle. Therefore, answer B is correct. Move on, next question. Income statement are classified as? Income statement classified on revenue and expenses. Revenue are added, expenses are less, and finally all other income are added from this investment. Therefore, option A and C is correct. Option B is finally correct option. Move on, next question. Calculation of depreciation by diminishing balance method, also known as? Diminishing balance methods, also known as residual value method and written down value method. Option B and C is correct. Option D. Next, annual depreciation calculation by using which formula if percentage is not given? Depreciation calculation by total cost, total purchase price minus scrap value divided by working life. Therefore, the option A is correct. Move on, next question. If SPP is 200, BCP 120, fixed cost is 10 lakh, the desired profit of 40,000, find out the BEP in RS. Now you require to calculate the BEP formula. FC plus DP divided by PV ratio, PVR. FC we have 10 lakh plus 40,000 whole divided by PV ratio. How to calculate it? SPPU minus BCPU divided by SPPU. The answer 200 minus 120 divided by 200 is equal to 80 divided by 200 is equal to 0. Maybe 40. Please calculate yourself. 80 divided by 200, 0.40. You can write over here 0.40. Finally, the answer will be 10 lakh 40,000 divide 0.4, 26 lakh. The option is not here. Okay. Finally, this answer will require 26 lakh, but we don't have available. There will be change. There will be change, no worry about it. Okay. Move on, next question. Here is no any option. Question number 14, and move on, next question number 15. The lifetime earnings of corporation not distributed to shareholders in the form of dividends declared is known as retained earnings. This is the undistributed profit to the equity shareholders. And finally, now I demonstrate the important question for your examination. Let's have a look. You can get this question and you require to solve yourself into your home, practice base, and you can take a photo or you can practicing over here, and if you have any query you can comment below the commentary box. Okay, this is the end of the section. You can subscribe, like and comment this video. Thank you so much for watching.